Guys, this is a 22-foot ensign, Pearson ensign, and we have been waiting. Let me see if this looks a little better without the red. We have been waiting and trying to dry out all of these little areas that are just pissing water. And well, there it is. We've actually been letting this sit under heat lamps for quite a while, and I have been patching and patching and patching and sanding and patching and sanding, and it's like every third or so of the spots come back. Maybe in a couple of weeks there'll be one spot left, but at the moment there's a few. They just keep on. I ground out a few more yesterday, a little deeper, just to see, but I'm thinking that we're probably gonna have to glass over this whole area to get it to stop, and that if we put it in the water this way, it's probably gonna get worse. And that's not fun. Worse is not fun. Yeah. So I think what I might do today to give it one more shot is use a heat gun on like each little hole. And try to patch it like that. Patch it, heat it, dry it, do like, a little swatch of them over here. This side's much worse than the other side, that's for sure. Maybe I'll do that. I might give that a shot. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll do another update when we've got some more progress on this. Thanks a lot.